Hello everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today, let's make some quick delicious banana snacks. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Also like and share this video if you love this recipe. For making today's banana snacks recipe, all you need to do is take out your mixing bowl and your banana, and I'm going to be using 3 banana for this recipe. Peel off the back of the banana, then use a small kitchen knife to slice the banana and put them into your mixing bowl. Next, take out 1 raw egg. Pour the whole egg into your mixing bowl, then add in 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm using white powdered sugar. Then go ahead and start mashing your banana. In case if you don't have a masher in your kitchen, you can also use a fork to mash your banana until it becomes smooth. Once you are done mashing your banana, add a half glass of liquid milk, then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. You can also use a butter for this recipe, then use a whisk to mix everything together. Next, add in your 1 cup of all-purpose flour. You can also use wheat flour for this recipe. Then add a pinch of salt and also your baking powder. After you are done adding all the dried ingredients, go ahead and use a whisk to start mixing until you achieve a smooth and perfect batter for this recipe. Once you achieve a smooth batter for your snacks after mixing for a while, cover with a kitchen towel and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. So 15 minutes later, take out your frying pan, place it on the heat, then add in some vegetable oil and let it heat up. So once your oil is hot enough, go ahead and use a soup spoon to start scooping your batter into your hot oil for frying. And when scooping in your batter into your hot oil, make sure that the batter is floating. If your snacks is not floating, it means that your oil is not hot enough. And after scooping in your batter into your oil for frying, fry on a low-medium heat. Next, once your snacks start turning golden brown, use a spatula to flip the other side and let the other side cook for about 5 minutes on a low-medium heat. So guys, while waiting for your snacks to turn golden brown, make sure you stir it with your spatula continuously. And once you are done frying your snacks, use your spatula and your strainer to remove the snacks from the heat. Then place them on your kitchen towel to drain the excess oil on them. Finally guys, my banana snacks is ready now. As you can see on your screen, it all came out very nice and delicious. And please don't forget to tell me what you think about this recipe on the comment section. if you like today's recipe, and also don't forget to try it at home. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to click on that subscription button to support my channel, and also like and share this video to your friends and family. So see you guys on my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.